Unforgettable moments that are engraved in people's memories. That's exactly what you'll feel in this video. Are you ready? Azimuth wave is starting. Today, we will try to raise awareness about a subject that we need to think about a lot: motorcycle accidents. So, what would you do if you were in a motorcycle accident? How would you feel? The causes of these accidents are usually due to carelessness, high speed, or the mistakes of others. However, a momentary mistake can be the end of a life. Thousands of people lose their lives in motorcycle accidents every year. And not only the deaths, but also the number of serious injuries and traumas are at frightening levels. Maybe think as someone who lived these moments. Could you forget these experiences? When driving a motorcycle or any vehicle in traffic, attention and responsibility are more important than anything else. Be more careful for yourself, your loved ones, and everyone. Be careful that a momentary decision does not turn into a tragedy that will be remembered forever. Remember, life is very precious. On one side, the heroes of the natural world. On the other, the people who are afraid of these animals.
Okay. Oh my God. Okay, I guess we don't get too close.
But wait a second. Why do these animals approach humans? Or why do humans invade their spaces so much? Animals are living beings that live in their own world order. However, the increasing invasion of their natural habitats by humans is causing these encounters. They may seem scary, but in fact, we are forcibly entering their world.
Holy crap. Oh, he's eating apples from his hands.
But what if animals are actually trying to defend themselves while harming us? What if we are the ones harming them? We should ask the real question in these moments. Can't we be more sensitive in sharing nature and life?
Oh God, Pete, your pedal's close to that one. Sorry. Não, que ele vai vir em cima da gente, mano. Olha o jeito que ele tá, filho. Olha lá, mano. Ó.
Aí ele volta.
Vai, Fusca, vai.
ดันรถนะแก้วถอยแก้วก็ถอยแก้วถอยดิมันเอาเรื่องนะเป็นไรอ่ะมันจะกินของกินในรถเนี่ย
Animals are afraid of us and defend themselves. But let's not forget, each of them has the right to live in a world. If we respect them, we can understand them better. And maybe these moments can turn into an unforgettable learning experience.
The wind is out.
Let's go in. Let's go in. Here it comes.
Okay. Go on.
Have you ever questioned your own place while experiencing these moments? As Azimuth Wave, we are traveling together in unforgettable moments. See you in the next video.